Hello everybody, welcome back to the training of the M172. In this part of the module, we're going to focus into the expansion models. When we don't have enough inputs and outputs in the controller and we are working, for example, with the smaller one, we can migrate the program into a bigger one with the 28 or 42 IOs. But if we need more IOs, we can always use the expansion model. Okay, so we have for this M172 two different reference, okay, with different IOs. And one good thing about it is that it doesn't need to be in the right part of the controller along with the controller. We can communicate over CAN with the PLC. So let's go into the offer. We can see here, these are the two reference, okay, with 12 IOs and 28 IOs. Each module is a mix between inputs and outputs, digital and analog. So it's the same size, okay? And the only difference is the amount of IOs and the different rows that we have here. As you can see here, we don't have any additional outputs. And here, yes, we have. So based on that, let's go into the smaller one with 20 IOs. Here you can see that the PLC doesn't come with any block. We need to buy it separately. Okay, this is the reference for this model. The communication between the module and the PLC is over CAN, so we need to communicate using CAN. And we have some dip switch to select the address in the communication and the parameters of the communication. Okay, so these are details for the analogs and inputs, analog inputs and digital IOs. Let's go to the other one. Okay, also it needs a separately blocks, okay, to be ordered and use with it the same size as you can see, 14. And this is the characteristics for the IOs of this controller. Also communication with CAN, and we have a dip switch in the button to select the configuration of the CAN address and the CAN communication. So we also had the possibility to use the all offer, as you can see here. Okay, the reference TN172 expansion for 14 and 28. Okay, so this is the offer for the expansion models. And if you have any other questions, you can contact the technical support or send us an email, okay, with your query. In the next part of the module, we're gonna see how to communicate the PLC with one of those models.